Want to explain what you do?
Oh, what's that?
First of all, I put Benefiber in this container because my hands are too big to get it out.
Yeah. So, Benefiber.
Soluble fiber. 1 teaspoon. And I put in about a tablespoon apple cider vinegar with mother.
With mother. What's mother?
Mother's like the pulp. It helps pull the toxins out.
I can see the mothers.
It's about a tablespoon. That's it. Mix it with some
Water?
filtered water.
And this, right?
That comes in after.
No.
Do the process. If you do it wrong, it's like poison.
Show your machine. Okay, this is on the right.
Doll. This is the water tank, the reservoir, and those are all the filters. 5 filters. $2,000, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mike is becoming like Evan. Mr. Organic.
And top it off. Make it taste good. Seeds are extra fiber, but I don't like them.
I was scared when I was younger that a lemon tree or something, or a watermelon tree would grow in my stomach.
Lemon helps burn fat too, doesn't it? Helps burn fat.
Lemon? Well, John said the liver is the biggest fat burning organ, and this is good for the liver.
Oh, wow. That's it. The fiber one, it's a soluble fiber. It actually helps pull out bad toxins, and so does the apple cider vinegar with mother. It helps detoxify the body, and it's important to detoxify because if your body's busy trying to get rid of the bad stuff, there's no time to build muscle, and that's the most important part of the game is build muscle. So stay healthy, get big quicker.